The questions rounded off have not been given any hints on the rear side of the textbook, and I am willing to discuss only those questions. Those which have hints will be left out in this discussion paper. Now, coming to the eighth question, in triangle ABC, it has been given AB equals AC. These two are equal. And AD bisects, that is, if this is 30, this will be also 30. Therefore, there is angle equality. And the other thing is AD is common for both these triangles. So, side by side angle side congruency, we have ABD congruent ACD. I have left out 9, 10, 11 and the 12th one also, because all these questions have been discussed in the answer section with complete hints. The 13th question says AD bisects angle A, DE perpendicular CA and DF perpendicular AB. Prove AF is equal to AE. I am asked to prove AF is equal to AE. Where is AF and AE? So I am supposed to take congruency of ADF and ADE triangles. As you can see, they form perpendiculars. So these angles are same, 90 and 90. Here again, these are angle bisector. Therefore, if this is 30, this will also be 30. Whatever, 20, 20, same. So I have two angles on a trot, and this side is common, AD. Therefore, by angle side congruency criterion, I have these two triangle congruency has been arrived at, and from that I have AF is equal to AE is the followed by CPCT of these two triangles congruency. Problem 14 is again very simple problem. I need M and N angle equality, and before that I have to arrive at LYM and LYN congruency. I can very easily see these two angles are equal. Therefore, if this is said to be 32 whatever, then this will also be 32 whatever it is, and there I have 90 90 here, and this side is common. Therefore, by angle common included side and angle congruency, I have these two triangles congruency, and angle M is equal to angle N by CPCT of this congruency. All these problems are very easy and quick fix problems. All you need to do is train your eye to check the congruencies and arrive at the conclusion, and then the answer will always be the CPCT. For an isosceles triangle, when AB equals to AC, my base angles will be equal. Now I pick, once the base angles are equal, if that means if this is 60, this will be 60, and if I bisect, this will be 30 and this will be 30. That is it. And these being equal, each of the angle will be 30. Keep this in mind for the congruency. And to arrive at the conclusion of BD equals to CE, I need these two triangles congruency. For these two triangles, I have already said that this B is equal to this C. So these angles are equal, and also A is common angle, and AB equals AC. Therefore, angle included side and angle by ASA congruency criterion, I have ABD congruent ACE. From this congruency, I have BD equals to CE by CPCT. Therefore, this has been achieved.